How to view your loan balance on Avant.com. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website Avant.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your registered email address and password, then click Login to access your account. After logging in, navigate to your loan dashboard or account overview section. Here you will find details about your loan, including your current loan balance, payment due dates, and upcoming payments. If you have multiple loans, make sure to select the correct loan account to view the accurate balance. You can also check your payment history and download statements if needed. If you have any questions or need assistance, there is usually an option to contact Avant's customer support directly through your account page. Now you know how to view your loan balance on Avant.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.